First, log into the SmartSchool management system using your administrator credentials. From the dashboard, look for the main menu on the left side. Click on Expense and then select Manage Category. On the Manage Category page, you will see a form to create a new category. Enter a name for the new expense category. Add description. Click the Save button to create the new category. A notification will confirm that the data has been stored successfully, and the new category will appear in the list below. Click on Manage Expense. On the Manage Expense page, you will see a form to add a new expense. Choose the category you just created from the drop-down menu. Enter a title for the expense. Enter a reference number for tracking. Input the amount of the expense. Choose the date of the expense from the calendar. Provide a description. Click the Submit button to save the new expense. A notification will confirm that the data has been stored successfully, and the new expense will be added to the list. When you pay, the teacher data will auto-display here.